Morning, family. Assalamu alaikum. It's Ham's Loft, Saturday, about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Beautiful day. I'm going to start getting my waterers together and everything and start doing some good cleaning on the waterers and stuff. And we already fed the old birds. Well, had the door open. One came out, flew around outside, came back down, went in. I'm glad of that because I don't know which bird it was. I know it was a red check. Let's go feed the young birds and then we'll just call it a quick video. I got 20, I think it's 32 in here. I'm gonna start working on that trapping and get it out of the way. See how this works. My favorite bird right here. They're working pretty good. Working on coming to the whistle. See a few of them up there, still shaky jakes. But I had one that was a little shaky. I think it's that one right there, that's silver. But yeah, I got everybody right now on 3 and 1. I just added that grizzle right there. You can see he's a small. Most of these birds right here, once I took out all the real big birds, I'm actually producing a lot smaller and medium-sized bird, which that's definitely what I wanted. Thank you to Tiploman, B-Rod. I'm trying to break them down to a lot smaller bird. I don't race old birds. I do not race 400 or 500 miles. So the farthest race we do, I think it's 350 at the farthest. All right. That's just how the little young birds are doing. Thank everybody for watching. This will be a short video. Comment, subscribe, do what you do.